Before watching the video, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on some amazing content from the Spotlight.
Warren Buffett once said that never depend on a single income. Make investments and create a second one. And who better to understand this statement than a financial advisor? Hello, folks. On this brand new episode of the Entrepreneur Talks, we have with us the owner of Equitywala, Mr. Ritesh Mani. So, without further ado, let's dive right into it. Hello, sir. How are you?
Yeah, good.
How have you been? How has the lockdown treated you?
Yeah, so one thing which we learn in a lockdown is all about a technology. Technology is all about a new activity, and most important thing in last 26 years, we strongly believe that financial services is all about a human touch business. But first time we realized that of course without human touch, without technology also, we can do a better business.
So, sir, you said that you are into business for 26 years.
Yeah, correct.
So
Great.
we'll start 26 years ago.
No issue.
When you were a science student, I believe. So you did your BSc in chemistry.
Correct.
What was that like? I just want to
See, the tradition, 26 years back, the tradition in our society is all about generally depend on the percentage of the 12th result. Parents always decide कि was ये science करेगा, engineer या doctor बनेगा. So according to my numbers, I am not quite an intelligent boy. So according to my result, my qualification and everything related to a science graduate. So I got an admission in chemistry, and that time got an admission in BSc chemistry is always a proud matter. So chemistry is not about my choice; it's all about a force. But once I finished my college graduation, after a third year of a graduation, that time the real benefit was Harshad Mehta. I think now each and everyone knows the Harshad Mehta very well. That time the Harshad Mehta bull run started. And my father, right now he is a quite good investor, but that time he was quite active trader. So every day we have to visit a stock exchange ring. Today is all about everything on a terminal and technology. But 26 years back आपने वो हर्षद मेहता स्कैम में देखा था, ऐसा ही एक यहाँ पर भी वडोदरा में भी एक रिंग था, and that was exactly opposite of our science college. So वहाँ पर रोज सुबह 11 बजे जाना, चिल्ला चिल्ली देना, that was something like excitement. So slowly excitement convert into my passion, and that is the way I enter into this business.
So, like initial days, like if you mention if you're a stockbroker or an investor, as an investor, क्या challenges आपको face करना है?
See, the most important challenge is that once you are having a science graduate, and stock market is of course some calculations, some data, some numbers. So without a commerce subject or without a proper knowledge about the particular segment, it's really difficult to identify the company, how to read a stock, market data. That was a real problem that time. But slowly what I understood कि was ये चीज में अगर मैंने extra knowledge लेना start कर दिया, reading start कर लिया. The most important thing is all about in this business is all about it. You have to read lot of material. और books काफी कुछ अच्छे मिल गए. यारी दोस्ती और power of association अच्छा रहा. Then I realized कि was now we have to focus on education also. Then I joined a Nirma University Executive Diploma in Finance. Then I did lot of short-term courses from IIM Ahmedabad, because then I realized कि बस ये science नहीं चलेगा. I have to focus on some different subject also. So in last 10-15 years, I did a lot of small education course also to learn something about the market. But of course, first 5 years was a quite challenging year because of lack of knowledge related to market.
So my next question is that if you know, as a young investor, if I'm like you said, like you didn't know about investment or like 26 years ago, but if I want to start investing right now, I mean there are a lot of opportunities out there are a lot of materials out there to read about. How should I, as a non-investor, as a science background student, pursue this as to make wealth for money?
Okay, good question. So let's talk about something how to start. So basically, the first question is not about how to start. The first question is how to end. What you want after some specific period. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आज मैं इंडियन इन्वेस्टर को मिलता हूँ, पर्टिकुलर यंगस्टर को, मैं उनको पूछता हूँ तो बोले नहीं अभी बाजार अच्छा चल रहा है, मुझे पैसा डाल देना है. बट उनको मैं 2 क्वेश्चन पूछता हूँ कि पर्पस ऑफ इन्वेस्टिंग, नो आइडिया. Investment period for how many years are you planning to invest? No idea. So the biggest problem is all about a planning. Investment needs proper planning. Either you are a trader, either you are a long-term investor. In both the subject, first you have to focus on a planning. Execution is the second part, and nowadays because of the technology and everything, execution is the easiest thing. Even the serious problem is that now we are surrounded by the lot of information because 20 years back only one media available, that was a print media. Today is all about a electronic media, and most dangerous is all about a social media. So you are covered through a number of different type of news, and believe me, 80 to 90% news in a social media most probably are a wrong news. It's not related to you or me, but people rely on this. So first, try to understand which product are you investing. Product knowledge is 10 times important than the market knowledge, because you are having a number of products in the market. So one is all about a product, and second is the advisor. See, सीरियस प्रॉब्लम इन हेल्थ एंड वेल्थ, आजकल डॉक्टर भी, मुझे मेरे काफी कुछ डॉक्टर फ्रेंड्स है, व्हाट दे आर सेइंग कि मैं कुछ दवाई भी लिख के देता हूं तो दूसरे दिन मेरे क्लाइंट मुझे कॉल करते हैं कि सर ये दवाई का कोई साइड इफेक्ट तो नहीं होगा ना, बिकॉज दे चेक ऑन अ गूगल. सो हेल्थ इज सच ए सब्जेक्ट कि यू कैन नॉट रिलाई ऑन ए गूगल. द सेम वे वेल्थ इज सच ए सब्जेक्ट कि यू कैन नॉट रिलाई ओनली ऑन ए गूगल, बिकॉज इन्वेस्टिंग एंड ट्रेडिंग इज ऑल अबाउट योर नीड, your risk taking capacity, and most important thing, your knowledge related to product. So of course for you your investment plan is something different. For me my investment plan is different. Market is same, but it's depend on your risk capacity, my risk capacity, and most important thing, understanding about the market. So that is the reason मेरा tagline भी है कि focus on a mindset, not on a market. Markets never gives you a lot of chance. Your mindset will create a good wealth over the period.
Recently, मैंने fact पढ़ा था कि nearly 2% of Indian earning population is spending or rather investing in the stock market, which is very low as compared to developed economies like US and even China. So, आपको लगता है कि वो change होगा in the coming years?
Oh, this is I think one of the best question है अभी तक का. इंडिया में क्या है, traditionally Indians are comfortable with the saving. 20 years back this economy was quite popular as saving economy. दादाजी सिखा के गए थे कि बेटा जिंदगी में रिस्क मत लेना, बैंक एफडी करना. नाउ दादाजी के जमाने का बेनिफिट क्या था कि एफडी रेट वाज क्वाइट हाई. व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड माय करियर दैट टाइम द गारंटेड रिटर्न फॉर एफडी, कंपनी एफडी रेट वाज समथिंग लाइक 13, 14, 15%. और तब दादाजी के जमाने में टैक्स भर दिया नहीं भरा कोई पूछने वाला नहीं था. टुडे द सिनेरियो इज कंप्लीटली डिफरेंट. दैट bank FD rate is from 11-12% in 2008-9. Today is all about a 4.5% to 5%.
And even in the last decade, if you see, there are a lot of unicorns that are coming up, and they are also, getting into the market, the stock market. They are raising money out of the Indian pockets. So, do you think that has become a major trend now?
Now, this is once again an interesting thing. See, 15-20 years back, the serious problem in India, if anyone want to start the own business, the first major concern was the liquidity. How to start the business with the particular fixed amount. Now, the current data in a current market situation, due to a private equity player, angel investor, venture capitalist, getting a money is a quite easy thing. If you have a good idea, good presentation skill, good business plan, good market share, then definitely the number of investors other than banks, other than finance companies are ready to invest into your pocket, your business.
Right. So once you are like sort of established in the stock market industry or the financial industry in general, तो उसके बाद का मतलब how was the concept of equity वाला? How did that come?
Now it's a great journey. So first 10-15 years, I would mainly focus on a businesses. So business is the most important thing, and what I learned in from 98 or 2000, the serious problem with the investor is all about a financial education. So I converted financial education into a knowledge-based marketing. So I started lot of workshop and seminar from 2000. अभी मेरी एक किताब भी निकली है बोलने के 20 साल. तो मेरे बोलते बोलते अभी 20 साल निकल गए. सो व्हाट आई लर्न के बहुत जितना मैं नॉलेज शेयर करूंगा उतना मेरा बिजनेस बढ़ेगा. सो आई स्टार्टेड अ एक्टिविटी फ्रॉम 2000 to 2011-12. We did a lot of activity for a 2-3 different companies. Then I realized that this is the real time. India having a lot of opportunity, and if you want to convert this opportunity through a investing, then you have to focus on a financial education. So, and equity, I strongly believe that equity is the only asset class which gives you a lot of opportunity to create a wealth. See, traditionally आप इंडियन को पूछोगे ना तो दादाजी सिखा के गए थे कि बेटा पैसा आ जाए तो जमीन खरीद के बैठ जाना, रियल एस्टेट खरीद के बैठ जाना, या तो दादाजी या दादी बोलकर गई थी सोना लेकर रखना. But personally what I realized कि this is the time we have to focus more on a paper asset. See, gold and real estate is all about a physical asset. But then I realized कि paper asset is the next big thing. But for the paper asset, for the equity, the lack of knowledge, that is a big crisis. और मैंने 2-4 क्राइसिस देख ली. हर्षद मेहता के बाद बाजार टूट गया. In 2008, that was quite popular as a Ketan Parekh scam. Then 2008 Lehman Brothers crisis. And I think there was lot of investors destroy their wealth heavily. And the reason was not the market. A major reason was the lack of awareness about the product. Lack of awareness about the how the market function. So that was the reason कि इक्विटी में करचल में था. इवन आजकल मुझे कोई पूछता है कि मेरा ब्लड ग्रुप क्या है, then it's all about a EQ plus.
So talking about the team that you require to run a business like this, like wealth management and creating wealth is something entirely different, and you need teams of experts to do that. And we have seen that you have quite a lot of young people associated with you, be it in the Turtle Connect or Equity Wala. So what is the ideology behind that, and how do you intend to reach success?
This is one of the good question. मेरा दिल से लगा हुआ question पूछ लिया. See, 10 years back, I heard Mr. Uday Kotak, the founder of Kotak, one of the finest institute, one of the most prestigious institute, and one of the greatest entrepreneur, Mr. Uday Kotak sir. उन्होंने एक मैसेज दिया था कि जिंदगी में भी यहाँ से आपको आगे बढ़ना है, तो आपसे जो उम्र में बड़े हैं ना उनकी एडवाइस मत लो, और आपके जो उम्र से छोटे हैं उनकी एडवाइस ले लो, जिंदगी में बहुत तरक्की करोगे. So simple principle I apply into my business also. I am having a 26 year of experience, but look at my team. My majority team member age is 25-26 years. तो मैंने जब career start किया था तब वो लोग पैदा भी नहीं हुए थे. But the good part about this young generation is all about कि they are having a lot of idea, creativity, concept, content. And second most important thing कि my 90% staff member are woman power. We believe in a girl power. Because investing is all about a discipline. Investing is not about ideas. Investing is all about a discipline. और discipline देखना है तो घर में मम्मी का देख लो, घर में हमारी सिस्टर का देख लो. Women are always believe in a discipline. उनको अगर सब्जी भी लेनी है ना तो 4 दुकान जाके चेक कर लेते हैं. तो सेम थिंग अप्लाई इनटू बिजनेस ऑल्सो. उनको एक स्टॉक भी खरीदना है तो पहले 4 स्टॉक देखेंगे. So analysis why the youngsters are doing quite good. But what is the serious thing in this time? कि previously we were into a joint family. एक घर में हम लोग 25 लोग रहते थे. Now the joint family convert into a nuclear family. Nuclear family में अभी क्या हो गया? पहले एक घर में 25 लोग थे. आज हस्बैंड वाइफ और 2 बच्चे हैं, और उसमें भी 2 बच्चे में से शायद 2 के 2 यूएसए चले जाएंगे, कनाडा जाएंगे, ऑस्ट्रेलिया जाएंगे. तो आपके घर पर रहने वाले हस्बैंड वाइफ दोनों ही लोग. एंड सिर्फ फाइनेंशियल एजुकेशन, प्रोडक्ट नॉलेज अगर हस्बैंड के भी पास रहा, देन इज कन्वर्ट इनटू अ डिजास्टर. एंड बिलीव मी, इन लास्ट 18 months ऑफ कोविड क्राइसिस वी हैव सीन नंबर ऑफ केसेस के इन्वेस्टर हैविंग अ लॉट ऑफ मनी बट स्टिल दे आर फेसिंग अ ह्यूज क्राइसिस बिकॉज द फैमिली मेंबर्स दे डोंट नो समथिंग अबाउट द इन्वेस्टिंग.
So what is that one investment, if I may ask, that for the last 26 years that you've been in industry, which is that one investment that you pinpoint like, yeah, this is what changed my destiny, or this is what changed the way I look at it?
So first is all about a discipline. In this market, discipline is everything. This industry is not about excitement. This business is all about a cool and calm. this business, people are thinking that this industry, share market is all about excitement and entertainment. This is something a boring business. If you want to create a wealth, and same thing happening to as an entrepreneur also, as well as an investor also, you have to focus on a discipline. That is the three mantra. वो आई थिंक वन ऑफ द फाइनेस्ट डायलॉग से आपको शायद याद भी रहेगा, विद्या बालन ने एक मूवी में बोल के रखा था कि अगर फिल्म को सक्सेस चाहिए, देन इट्स ऑल अबाउट ए फिल्म इज ऑल अबाउट ए एंटरटेनमेंट एंड एंटरटेनमेंट. द सेम विद दिस बिजनेस इज ऑल अबाउट ए डिसिप्लिन. That's it.
What is your vision as far as Equity Wala is concerned for the next 5 to 10 years?
My vision is very clear. In last 10-15 years, what I did, try to change blood group of India. जिसका भी A plus है, B plus है, try to convert into equity plus. I want to guide them, I want to train them, I want to educate them कि why wealth creation is the most important part and why equity. And equity is not about only stock market, it's all about a mutual fund route, PMS, portfolio management services, alternative investment. These are the tools available in market. So my one mission is educate maximum investor, and second, my biggest mission is all about as a Indian we love a job. We never heard something about the entrepreneurship. मैं MBA कॉलेज में भी लेक्चर देने जाता हूँ ना, तो बच्चे पूछते कौन सा जॉब मुझे करना चाहिए. We as a youngster, as a young generation, they never believe in an India opportunity. Look at the serious problem. आज इंडिया में अभी मैं कहीं पे सुन रहा था कि एक साल में कुछ गुजरात में से 6,000 लोग अमेरिका कनाडा जाके, सिर्फ हमारे बच्चे वहां जाके जॉब करते, और वो कौन सी कंपनी में जॉब करते कि जो कंपनी इंडिया में सबसे ज्यादा कमा रही है. सो इंडिया इज ऑल अबाउट एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप. बट वंस अगेन द सीरियस प्रॉब्लम इज अवर ओल्ड सोसाइटी. हमारे घर से पहले पापा मम्मी ना बोलते बेटा जॉब कर ले, अपने को कोई रिस्क नहीं लेना है. So I want to change the mindset of the youth. Education and language is not an important thing. The most important thing, you have to focus on your skill. मुझे तो 18 महीना बहुत अच्छा लगा कि एग्जाम बंद हो गई है. Because now अब जब आप इंटरव्यू देने जाओगे, you have to explain about your skill. Skill is the most important thing. Language is not the most important thing. Always ऐसा बोला जाता है कि business is all about a जोश, जुनून and जुबान. You have to focus on a skill-based activity. You have to focus on a creativity. So, of course, any person having some uniqueness, try to identify your uniqueness. See, you are asking a question better than me, यार. आप जो मुझे question पूछ रहे हो, तो of course my answer is good, but your question is 10 times good than me. आपने जो question पूछे, मुझे लगता है मुझे कहीं पर note down करके रहे. This is your about uniqueness. Now, आपको ये question क्यों आया? Because you are eager to hear something related to market, related to entrepreneurship. So that is all about my message. You focus on your skill, focus on your uniqueness. Never focus on your, if you are rich or poor. Even India is a country के जहाँ पर अभी गरीब लोग ही अमीर बनने वाले हैं. If you have a skill, proper mindset, India having a lot of opportunity in terms of entrepreneurship. That is all about opportunity.
What is that one advice that you'd like to give to young budding entrepreneurs who are watching this about creating wealth or getting into entrepreneurship as a profession?
ये चीज मुझे लगता है मुझे सोचने की भी जरूरत नहीं है. This is my tagline. You can check out this. My first and the most important message is धंधा करो या दूसरे के धंधे में निवेश करो. For 10-15 years, my tagline is very clear. धंधा करो means start your own business. Either invest into other business. See, every day we are using a Zomato, but we never thought about कि बॉस इसमें मैं invest कर लूँ. Every day we are talking about the Maruti car. Every day we are talking about the flight traveling. Every day we are discussing something about it. वो सुबह से आप देखो ना, we are using a mobile. We are using a number of things at home, but we never thought about कि बॉस ये business भी मैं खरीद सकता हूँ.
So thank you so much for this wonderful, wisdom that we have garnered here, and काफी कुछ सीखने को मिला इस छोटे से conversation में. ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लेंगे आपका. I know you are very busy and you have to create wealth for India as well. So
thank you.
On that note, thank you so much for joining with us and sparing your time. And to all of you out there who are watching, thank you so much for joining. And if you have any questions for Hitesh sir, you can please ask them in the comment section below, and we'll try to get some answers for you. I'm sure great financial educator like himself would spend some time for that as well. So thank you so much. Keep supporting us, and do like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much.